Introducing Skylar, a companion AI for frictionless forecasting. Today we are going to demo Skylar, our companion AI forecasting tool. It uses a stacked machine learning model with an NLP integration courtesy of OpenAI large language models. The integrated LLM allows for frictionless, complex forecasts requiring no technical ability. We are going to walk through different scenarios, starting with the most simple and increasing complexity as we go. Starting with Scenario 1, the most simple forecast. Forecast sales the next 30 days. Notice we are not specifying any training days. Without specifying a training horizon, it will default to 30 days. Below, you can see the forecast results aggregated top line for all stores. You can also see it broken out at the store level by day and by week. Stores can be filtered to better focus on individual store impacts. In addition, you can also view sales density by county on the geography view. Skylar also supports hands-free voice prompts, which Mr. Young will demo in a moment.
Hey Sky. Forecast 15 days, train on 30 days.
Building on Scenario 1, now we will specify training days. Forecast sales the next 30 days. Train on 100 days. This allows the planner to change their assumptions on how the past influences the future. Comparing Scenario 1 and Scenario 2, you can see that Scenario 2 is more optimistic as it is picking up stronger sales days that occurred in early 2023. For the next scenario, we are going to build on Scenario 2 by adding a VIP promotional event. Events are custom functions that simulate phenomena that happened in the past created by either model automation or the user input. The impact of each event is based on vector similarity and time decay. Hovering over events in the chart allows the planner to see the revenue impact. Going to the geography view and selecting events shows the distribution of the promotional impact across different regions. What if the planner wanted to simulate a hurricane with a similar west coast trajectory as Ian? Hurricanes are location sensitive. Some areas get impacted more than others. Events like weather, protests, sporting events, and politics can all be captured and applied by Skylar with different impacts at each location. Given the hurricane's impact range, the model trains bottom up, with each showroom's phenomena captured by its assigned function. The geography view shows Hurricane Ian's path with heavy hits on the west coast and crossing into central Florida with minimal impact to southeast regions. Now adding a little bit more complexity, what if the planner wanted to simulate a VIP promotional event during a severe storm? Skylar effectively synthesizes the two phenomena to create a forecast that strikes a balance between the optimistic outlook of the VIP event and the pessimism of a severe storm. As the scenarios get more complex, note how Skylar's interface remains user-friendly and driven by simple prompts. What if the planner wants to use their domain-specific expertise to model a new custom event? With Skylar, it's as easy as prompting capture impact and their event time period. The model will learn as more events are added, generalizing over an ensemble of functions for increased accuracy. For example, let's say the planner wants to simulate the negative GDP growth that happened in Q1 2022. To create the model, all the planner needs to do is prompt capture impact negative GDP first quarter between February 15th, 2022 and May 1st, 2022. Immediately after this model has been created, it can be applied to a new scenario with the prompt, forecast 120 days train on 60 days, add the following event, negative GDP first quarter between July 15th and August 15th. Navigating to the weekly view, the planner can see that the negative GDP model dropped the forecast as expected. For the final scenario, consider if the planner wanted to drill down and simulate a promotional event sequence by adding a revenue shift to the forecast. A revenue shift is when sales moves from a non-promotional day into a promotional day. The ability to quickly and easily create new models allows the planner to get immediate feedback as new promotional strategies are tested and validated. After the revenue shift model is created, the planner can then include them in a forecast. The goal of this forecast is to add in the end-of-the-month promotions, 3 VIP events, and 3 free premium delivery events leading up to 4th of July, along with their respective revenue shifts. The two scenarios demonstrate the roughly $2 million lift over the non-promotional control forecast. Furthermore, the revenue-shifted scenario is a closer approximation of reality, in line with the $61 million current June business projection. We are just scratching the surface of the potential functionality with Skylar. This technology is a patent-pending City Tech IP. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of Skylar, your companion in AI forecasting.